Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're like me and you're always out and about, you're going place to place and you just want a coffee but you don't want to sit down and put the stove on, thanks to today's sponsor, Outin. I think that's how you say it. Those problems have now gone. So Outin reached out, that sounds weird, doesn't it? Outin reached out. So Outin reached out and asked me if I would like to review the product of the Outin Nano portable electric espresso machine, and due to my love for caffeine I was only too happy to accept. Let's dig in and see what you get in the box. It's nicely packaged, I'll tell you that. So you basically get quite a handy wee instructions manual. That's pretty cool. We'll get into that. An even more condensed instructions manual. Oh, that's pretty nice. A couple of stickers and then another user manual in different languages. I must say the presentation so far has been very nice. This is how it all comes in the box when you open it up. Look at the packaging. See, any company that goes to the hassle of putting this foam stuff and arranging it like that, they obviously care about their product. That's pretty cool. So I'm just going to say right off the bat, I'm not a heavy espresso guy. I'm a coffee guy, but I'm not an espresso guy. So I'm not one of these guys that basically gets the coffee grounds and then I think it's you tamp them and then you put it in the filter and blah blah blah. That's not me. I'm more a guy that likes instant, like with the wee pods and all that stuff. So I want to use this for the way it's supposed to be used, where you put a pod in it and it's instant. But if you're the kind of person that likes to use coffee grounds, you can still use this as well. So in the box you get the unit itself, which feels very nice. You get a wee cup, and I'm guessing that's like that. You get a charging cable. You get this, and you get a wee filler for, I'm guessing, putting the coffee in. So that's everything in the box. Get a better look at it. So that's it there. It does come in different colours as well, and I'll show them here. They asked me about one I wanted to review. This was the colour I wanted. At the top, that's where you put your water in. If you use cold water, you'll get roughly 4 or 5 espressos out of it. And on the back is where you charge it, and it's just USB-C. And on the front is one button. The button, it says press 2 seconds to heat and extract, double press to extract directly, and press once to stop. So I'm guessing you hold it for 2 seconds and then it starts the cycle of heating up. If you want more water in it, you would double press it, obviously as long as you fill it. You can obviously press stop to stop it. So you can unscrew this as well. So that there's obviously where the espresso comes out. So as you can see, this one's for the pod, and I'm guessing this one is going to be for the coffee. Aye, there's the wee filter there. It says on it roughly about 5 to 6 grams of coffee. So you would put your coffee in here. So I mean, you could use this as a wee scoop, obviously, for scooping up the coffee and putting it in. And then at the bottom of it, as you can see, it's got wee ridges on it, which basically flattens out the coffee. When you put your coffee in here, you would then flatten it down with this piece. So basically this would tamp the coffee grounds down and make it nice and flat. I don't think I've ever used these because, again, I'm an instant kind of guy. So let's go with the house blend. And this is a intensity rating at 8. So when it comes to the pods, you want to make sure that they're basically the Nespresso pods. Any Nespresso pod will work with this machine. We just pop it in like that. Nice fit. If you can see inside there's grooves, that will pierce the lid of the pod. So with the pod inside, and then we screw this onto the Outin Nano, like so. So for me, I kind of need it to just be one of those ones where you put the water in, put your pod in, hit the button and you're ready. So with the instructions, as you can see, top left, how many cups you can get with full charge. So if you pour 50ml cold water, you'll get 45 cups. If you get 80ml cold water, you'll get 2 to 3 cups, and shot is 30ml espresso. But aye, it's a pretty well laid out instruction manual rather than the bog standard user guides that come with most ones. But aye, well done, Outin, for making it really simple to follow. As you can see, number 4 here, you can see that you only fill it to 80% capacity if you're using ground coffee. But again, I'll be using the wee pods because they're just more convenient for me. So all we need to do is just put water in. So 70ml, and then put the lid on. And we'll just use the cup that it came with. So we'll set that in there. And then when you're ready to go, you just hold the button for 2 seconds. and then it comes on. So this is actually its progress bar, and each light represents a stage of heating up and stuff. So when it gets to the 4th light, it means that it's hot enough and it will start coming out. So you need to have your cup ready when it gets to that 4th bar. So it's nearly at the end of the cycle and it's not hot to the touch. The only thing that's hot is obviously is up the top, but that's where the water is, so naturally it would be hot. You can kind of hear it bubbling up now. So as soon as all 4 lights are solid, that's when it starts pouring. But again, you can just sit this in here and leave it. It's only took roughly about 2 or 3 minutes to get there. So literally you could just set this and forget it. Oh, there we go. Wow, the smell is amazing, and that's it. So as it took all the water, oh, there's a wee bit of water left, so let's try and put some more water in. So just double tap it, and that'll just drain the rest of the water in. And that's that. Look at that. That looks amazing. It smells amazing. But what does it taste like? So I'm not going to put any milk or sugar in it. I'm just going to straight raw dog it. Oh, that is nice. And what a place to drink it. So there you go, espresso on the go. Outin has kindly gave me a 10% off code. So guys, if you want to go and pick this up, I'll leave a link to it in the description. But whether you're in a camper van, whether you're a hiker, or see, to be honest, even if you're going to work, you can have this by your desk and just make an espresso through the workday. Brilliant piece of kit, and you're going to see it a lot more on the channel. So go check them out guys, Outin.